Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we'll be learning how to integrate APIs in Flutter. Right, so let's start. So here's a very simple Flutter app. Right, so if I just just remove the code, we could just print this out. Let's just create a little thing over there. Right, let's let's create a stateful class name also great. And that gives this class scaffold, right? And let give this scaffold some color, so field purpose. That's it. I also provide some body, column. Yeah, that's it for now. Okay, then I just forgot the task. Here is for the whole screen. In fact, just original team data plot. We could use team data nomenclature and then just add the table calls, name, and API. Then, so there is an important thing to know. To fetch the API or to integrate the API in Flutter, we have to use a package known as HTTP, right? Let me just, I'll show you how the package would work. Let me just go to your pub.dev, right? So go to pub.dev, search for HTTPS, and here we have HTTP package, right? This is one of the latest package for the Flutter. And similar, we have now package. So I'll be using this one now. And you just copy this and paste it in the perfect YAML file. But after doing this step, it's very common step to do. Do the statement on the Flutter get and let the Flutter do its job. Right. So let's clear this. Great. So the package is getting imported and it will be creating a function in the home script, right? So let me just open an emulator so we can see what was going on. So until that time, we'll just create some UI, right? This, I guess we'll be using list.generate. Okay, some length for now, let's do 5. And let's just see the length panel. Just provide container tool. Right. Container, let's give it some height, 100, 200, start. Great. Let's go. It's padding. Great. And let's not forget to provide this single source overview behavior. Great. Let's run this app. And until this app runs, let's try to just go to the Chrome and search for three APIs to learn how the APIs would work. Right. So see, in API we have four kind of types of API we can get. We have post, put, we have patch, and also there are more than four types like patch, delete, and philosopher. But generally, for now, I'll be teaching get. If you like this video, you can comment down that please teach us about the post and put, patch, and delete. So I'll be creating a whole series of it. So for now, let's go and we get API. So basically, API contains the data which you want to show to the user on the front end side. And the data is in the form of a JSON. JSON is a type of data. You can see this is a JSON type of data. And an API is kind of this link is known as the API link, right? And this link contains the JSON data. So we'll be using this link to show this list of users on the particular front end. Got it? But yeah. So over here, we need to, So how to use this data and how to get this data basically in the Flutter app, right? So we have to create class for this known as user user data model, or we can also write as entity. Now, so in this class, we'll be creating a class of model which will be showing or representing the format of this JSON data. Of course, format, how the format is. See, this JSON data is a list, right? It's a list of map of JSON data, right? So we have to create a class which contains this format, right? So you'll be thinking like, how this is going to be possible. But let me tell you one thing. You can just copy this whole class, you can just copy this class, copy this calculate, formula this much. And you can just open quick type I or type, like this open it's a quick type, right? Paste the JSON over here, right? Let me just correct the JSON. And there you go. So over there we'll also write the user data entity. So you can see we have a dot over here, skip the dot, and this website will provide this class, basically user data entity class, which contains the user ID, title, and body. Right. So we factor this and we create a JSON or dot from JSON class. And we know it's a map of string comma dynamic, and we fetch this data into this particular model class. Right. So after this, what we will do in this copy this code and instead of the user data product and save this file. So now you can see. So as I was showing you in the whole screen, we are basically created just with this, right? So we have five and I like this five, right? So let's start creating the function. We'll be creating get user data and class and like this. Right. So over here, you need to make sure that this function is a future type function. It's a future function, right? And currently we are not providing any return, so give it the void, right? So over here, we'll be listening for the data in the response form, correct? So we have to import the package which we just added. So it is STQ and import it and name it as fetch. Right, and we'll be using this. So what we'll be doing is final response is equals string await, right? Or we don't know how much time it's gonna take, so we'll be using a string await method, await as HTTP, correct? Just like that. Provide the dot to it like this. We are using this word dot, and it's a get API. So we write dot get, and it will be asking for a URL, right? But to provide the URL, we'll be using URI dot parse, and it will ask for a string URL, which is which one will be providing this one, right? So let me should over here. Now great. So now what we'll be doing is we got the response. Now we need to save this data. This data will like basically we need to convert the JSON data, basically JSON dot record the string data into the user data entity class. Right. So let's just call the user data entity class. Let's list or basically you can say user data entity class and user data. Just like that. Right. Over here we'll be having a condition because it response to the status code is equals to user place, which is fetch data. Right. So let me just write log Okay, this will what a print factor which says fetch, right? Let's say fetch, right? And what we'll be doing is we will be able to use the data entity as equals to use the data entity from JSON to the JSON key response for data, or you can, what you can do is very simple thing to do thing. You can just write from over here in this provide, or no, let me help you with the one thing. Like, see, if you focus over here, and it's basically the list, right? It's a list of data. Over here, we'll be having a list of user entity, right? So it's a list of the user entity. How it's coming. Or so now we'll be filling up this user data, right? Yeah, yeah. So over here, we're going to use some keyboard. Source for response the body as list dot map. Map now it's contains the list of each and every data. So this will be provided to the user data and it from JSON and he is the columns of the list. So, and this would work. The set state, let's paste this thing by the set state, else thing, something went wrong. Went wrong. Okay, so now we get the user data. So let's just call the init state and then just call the get user data. Right. So whenever we open that, this user data will be fetched this function will be called. We'll call this API. We'll get the JSON data. We'll convert the JSON data and we'll store it in the user data entity, which is basically a list of user data entity. And we'll be using this link. We'll be using basically this list in this dot generate. So let me just user data entity dot length, right? Provide a null check over here. And let me also slide main primary, slide vector second. And Flutter is fine. Let me just also provide a child with the text and the text. So now how we use the user data entity, and it will be an index dot, and we have a body title, so we provide the let's say let's take the right for the null check over here, over the style, the text style, and let's provide some color. The colors will be on it will be using the vector. Vector vector. Let's provide some bonds. Let it be 15, right? And let's get this text into the center. And also that this contain size box which have a width of this A150. Okay. And also will be providing fixed alignment. So that is provide the text alignment from the center. Now let's not forget let's just also create a full value. It's a full is loading equals to true. Right. Why I'm be using this story because initially it will take some time to load it, right? So let's just provide it with loading, it's true, and circular progress indicator, which will be for center. Right. providing the columns, right? So if you see over here, we have a loading, right? On top of that, we have the loading. Let me just, put up the loading. So let's see why column stable this name and this name next to and that. Right? Okay, other right. And there we go. Okay. Enter words size possible. High like 350. Very good. So it's slowly go now. And let's take this to the center. So I'll go at the low. Enter and we're loading at the center. So let me just now let's see how things will work, right? So first over it out and let me just clear out. Now when I'll be restarting it, your user get user data will be formed. Let's restart. Okay, application has been restarted. But I think we have some issues with the device maybe. Let's restart that one. So it says fetched. So we are in the fetched section and after fetching it. Okay, so one more thing we forgot. We have to make sure that this loading is false. Right? Right? False. My bad. Let's save this file. Let's try it again. Great. So here we go. And there you go. You got the JSON data. Right. Here's the JSON data which you wanted to be shown in your app. And here's the data. Congratulations, everyone. You learned how to fetch the data from the API. Right. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please like, share, and subscribe. And do let me know what kind of videos you are looking for. Right. Okay. Thank you, everyone.